Hello friends, so welcome back to another informative video. So today in this video we are going to see the different kind of bolts which are used in the industries and also in various applications. So I'm requesting you all to watch this video till the end, because in this video you will get to know about the different kind of bolts which are used in the industries and also in various applications. So let's start the video without wasting much time. So the first bolt which is very popularly used in the concrete, that is anchor bolt. So anchor bolt is a heavy duty fastener that is used to connect the object to the concrete. So for example, steel poles are often mounted onto concrete surface using anchor bolt. Here you can see in the image also. Okay, so this is called as the anchor bolt and its uses. So the next bolt, that is carriage bolt. So carriage bolts are used to hold together wood with wood, and sometimes wood with metal, and even metal with metal. So their particular shape allows the bolt to be self-locking when placed through a square hole, especially when dealing with metal. Okay, so this is the shape of carriage bolt and this is the image of carriage bolt. Okay, so it's all about the carriage bolt and its uses. So the next bolt that is most popularly used in the industries, that is lag bolts. So lag bolts are usually used to connect heavy materials that are bearing an intense load. Okay, so this is the image of a lag bolt. Okay, so now let's talk about the hex bolt. So what is a hex bolt? So hex bolts are the type of threaded bolt, and it is characterized by their six-sided hexagonal shaped head. So these kind of bolts are suitable for use in a wide range applications, typically in machinery and also in construction. Okay, so this is the image of the hex bolt and its uses. So now let's talk about the socket bolt. So socket bolts are the types of bolt which is designed and manufactured with a hexagonal internal drive built into the head. So these are basically used in the machines. Okay, so this is the image of a socket bolt and its uses. So now let's talk about the flange bolt. So flange bolts, as the name suggests, these type of bolts are having a flange at one end. So this flange acts like a built-in washer distribution the load across a wider area and providing a more secure and stable connection. So the flange bolts are widely used in various industries due to their unique design and the functionality. So now let's talk about the butterfly bolt. So butterfly bolt is generally looks like a butterfly, so that's why its name is butterfly bolt. Okay, so this type of bolts are generally designed for use in hollow block and drywall and other hollow base materials. Okay, so this type of bolts are generally used for hollow base materials or drywalls. Okay, so it's all about the butterfly bolt and its images. Now let's talk about the eye bolt. So eye bolt is generally looks like an eye, so that's why its name is eye bolt. Okay, so this bolt is a bolt with a loop at one side. Here you can see in the image. So they are used to firmly attach a securing eye to a structure so that ropes or cables may then be tied to it. Here you can see in the image also. Okay, so it's generally the eye bolt and its uses. So now let's talk about the U bolt, that is the final bolt in this video. Okay, so it is an industrial fastener in the shape of the letter U with two threaded arm extending from a curved base. Okay, so here you can see in the image also.